Hello there, I'm Mary Ellen and this is my channel Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow. Here you'll find DIY crafts, plant-based recipes, videos of my cats, and all the beautiful chaos of my real-life endeavors. Nothing's perfect here. I'm just figuring it out as I go and sharing the messy magic along the way. If that sounds like something you are into, subscribe and follow so we can keep growing and learning together. Get ready to fall in love with this easy dairy-free pecan pie recipe, a plant-based dessert that's every bit as rich, sweet, and satisfying as the classic Southern favorite. This vegan pecan pie is made with no eggs, no dairy, and no corn syrup, just pure, delicious flavor in every bite. It's the perfect holiday dessert for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any cozy fall gathering. This homemade pecan pie will be a hit at your table. This recipe is easy enough for beginners and guaranteed to impress your family and friends. Sweet, buttery, and nutty, it's a comforting fall dessert that proves plant-based recipes can be indulgent too. Ingredients: 1 pre-made plant-based pie crust or vegan pie shell, a 1/4 cup full-fat coconut milk, 1½ tablespoons cornstarch, 1/2 cup plant-based butter, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup pure maple syrup, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 dash sea salt, 2 cups chopped pecans. Now, let's make a mess. A pie. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius for perfect vegan pie baking results. In a small bowl, whisk together coconut milk and cornstarch until smooth and lump-free. Set aside. In a medium saucepan, melt plant-based butter over medium heat. Whisk in brown sugar and stir until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Add maple syrup, vanilla extract, and a dash of salt, whisking to combine. Pour in the coconut milk cornstarch mixture, whisking continuously until slightly thickened. Fold in chopped pecans until evenly coated in the warm filling. Pour the mixture into your vegan pie crust, gently pressing the pecans down into the filling. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the filling is bubbling and the crust is golden brown. Cool completely at room temperature to allow the pie to firm up before slicing. Let the pie cool fully before serving for the perfect slice. Keep covered in the refrigerator for up to 4 to 5 days. Freeze for up to 2 months. Thaw overnight in the fridge before serving. For a flavor boost, add a sprinkle of cinnamon or nutmeg. Made with simple pantry ingredients, this homemade vegan dessert is proof that you can enjoy classic Southern pecan pie flavor while keeping it 100% plant-based and cruelty-free. Serve it warm with a dollop of vegan whipped cream and a smile. You just found your new favorite fall dessert recipe. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Subscribe and stick around so we can craft and cook through the holidays together. I've got so many fun DIYs, recipes, and cozy ideas coming your way. Don't forget to check out my older videos too. There's plenty of holiday magic waiting for you there. Let's make this year messy, fun, and full of memories.
See you next time.